Imagine sipping a warm cup of herbal tea, made from plants you've grown right in your own garden. Herbal teas aren't just soothing drinks, they're little wellness rituals in a cup. By growing your own tea herbs, you save money, enjoy fresher flavors, and know exactly what's going into your brew. Let's explore 10 herbal tea plants you can easily grow at home for relaxation, healing, and peace of mind. Number 1. Chamomile. Known for its gentle, calming properties, chamomile tea is the perfect bedtime drink. Plant chamomile seeds in well-drained soil under plenty of sunlight. Water regularly, but not too much. This plant dislikes soggy roots. Harvest the flowers once they're fully open and dry them for tea. Steep for 5 minutes to enjoy its light floral taste that helps ease anxiety and promote better sleep. Number 2. Peppermint. Refreshing, aromatic, and invigorating, peppermint tea aids digestion and clears the mind. Grow it in moist soil with partial shade, but be sure to keep it contained. It spreads fast. Harvest the leaves throughout the season and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Each sip is a burst of cooling freshness that lifts your spirits instantly. Number 3. Lemon balm. With its bright citrus scent, lemon balm is a natural mood booster and stress reliever. It grows beautifully in sunny spots with well-draining soil. Just snip the leaves as needed and steep a handful in hot water for a mild, lemony tea that soothes the soul. Number 4. Ginger. Spicy, warming, and packed with benefits. Ginger tea supports digestion and immunity. Plant fresh ginger rhizomes in rich, moist soil with partial shade. It takes time, about 8 to 10 months, but the reward is worth it. Slice and steep for 10 minutes to release that cozy, fiery flavor perfect for cold days. Number 5. Lavender. This fragrant flower turns any garden into a peaceful retreat. Grow it in dry, sunny soil and avoid overwatering. Once the blooms appear, dry them for a beautifully floral tea that melts away stress and tension. The aroma alone feels like a spa in your cup. Number 6. Holy basil, also known as tulsi. Sacred in India and cherished worldwide, tulsi tea helps the body adapt to stress. Plant it in sunny, well-drained soil, and harvest the leaves once the plant grows tall. Its peppery sweet flavor makes every sip feel rejuvenating. Number 7. Sage. Earthy and aromatic, sage tea is wonderful for digestion and overall calm. Grow it in full sun and water sparingly. Sage thrives in drier conditions. Steep the leaves for 5 to 7 minutes to enjoy a rich, grounding tea with herbal depth. Number 8. Hibiscus. Vibrant, tangy, and full of antioxidants, hibiscus tea is a visual and flavorful delight. Grow it in rich soil with plenty of sunlight and steady watering. Steep the dried petals for 10 to 15 minutes for a ruby red tea that supports heart health and lowers blood pressure. Number 9. Thyme. More than just a kitchen herb, thyme tea helps soothe coughs and boost immunity. Grow it in well-drained soil under full sun and harvest leaves as needed. Steep for about 10 minutes for an earthy herbal cup perfect for cozy days indoors. Number 10. Passion flower. Beautiful and serene, this flowering vine produces tea that helps with anxiety and sleep. Plant it in well-drained soil with full sunlight and give it space to grow. Steep dried leaves or flowers for 10 minutes to create a lightly sweet, calming brew that eases your mind before bed. From chamomile's calm to peppermint's refreshment, each of these plants offers its own kind of comfort. Growing your own herbal teas adds beauty to your garden and wellness to your daily life. So put on your gardening gloves and start your journey toward peace, one soothing cup at a time. Be sure to check out this video for more.